Next is types of mixtures. So mixtures is of two types. So first is homogeneous type. So what is homogeneous mixture? A mixture is said to be homogeneous only if it has same composition and properties throughout the mixture. So if the mixture having same composition and same properties throughout all the mixture, then that mixture is said to be homogeneous. Means if you can see only one layer, only one kind of layers in the mixture, so okay, that mixture is called as homogeneous. Or you can say that in this kind of mixture you can't distinguish between the components, means you cannot see different components. Okay, for example, puree, you can see the examples in the diagram, like puree, coffee. So coffee looks same from top to bottom. Okay, so having same composition. So milkshake, so from top to bottom it looks pink. Okay, only one layer, so we cannot distinguish the components, means we cannot find the difference between the components, we can see only one layer. Like the chocolate, so chocolate looks same all over. Okay, so all the chocolate looks same. Okay, so cold tomato soup, orange juice, in orange juice, in the glass of orange juice, so from top to bottom we can see only one kind of layer, means orange layer. Okay, so the mixture in which we cannot see different components, we can see only one kind of layer and we cannot distinguish, means find the difference between the components. So this kind of mixture is called as homogeneous mixture. So next is what is heterogeneous mixture. So the mixture is said to be heterogeneous in which there is a different composition and different properties of like in example salad. So you can see the green leaves. Okay, the tomatoes. Okay, so you can see different vegetables, so you can distinguish between the components. Like the fruit salad, so we are able to see the different fruits. Okay, so we can find the different fruits, so different particles are visible to us. Okay, in next example, milk and cereals. So cereals and milk both are visible. Okay, so we can see the cereal particles as well as we can see the milk. Okay, so both are visible. So the mixtures in which the different particles are visible, or you can say the different components are visible and we can distinguish between the components, so these mixtures are called as heterogeneous. So we can say that the mixtures which have different composition and different properties and we can distinguish all the components of the mixture, this mixture is said to be heterogeneous mixture. So this is one more example of heterogeneous and homogeneous. So in first one, like we are adding sand into water. So sand is visible in water, so you can see two layers, one layer of water and one layer of sand. So two layers are visible, so this is a heterogeneous mixture. And in homogeneous, we are dissolving sugar in water. So sugar is completely dissolved in water, so we can't see sugar particles in water, so we can see only water. Okay, so we can like taste the sugar, but we cannot see the sugar particles. Okay, so we can see only one layer of water because the sugar is completely dissolved. So this is a homogeneous mixture. So next, here the types of mixtures are given. Like mixtures are of solid mixtures, liquid mixtures, gaseous mixtures, solid liquid mixture, solid gas mixture and liquid gas mixture. So in case of solid mixtures, all the components are in solid form. In case of liquid mixtures, all the components are in liquid form. In gaseous mixtures, all the components are in gaseous form. In solid liquid mixture, one component is in solid form and one is in liquid form. In solid gas, one component is in solid form and one in gaseous form. In liquid gas mixture, one component is in liquid form and one in gaseous form. Next, the solid mixtures is of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Example of homogeneous, alloys, and example of heterogeneous like rice and stone, sand and salt, salt, pepper, chalk and sugar. So here so many alloys are given, like brass. So brass is the alloy of copper and zinc. So underline all these. Okay, in your book, steel is a alloy of iron, carbon and manganese, and stainless steel is a alloy of iron, chromium and nickel. So underline all these alloys in your book. Next, the liquid mixtures are of two type, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Example of homogeneous like spirit and solution of spirit in water, and the example of heterogeneous liquid mixture, oil and water. Okay, so oil makes a different layer in water, so two layers are visible. Okay, one layer of oil and one layer of water, so this is a heterogeneous mixture. Next, the gaseous mixture is of only one type, that is homogeneous. Example is air. Air is a mixture of all gases, but we cannot see different gases, so air looks same, means we cannot find the different particles in air, so it is a homogeneous mixture. So next, solid liquid mixture is of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Example of homogeneous, a solution of salt or sugar in water. Example of heterogeneous, sand plus water or chalk plus water. Okay, next, solid gas mixture is of only one type, that is heterogeneous. Example is smoke. So smoke is a mixture of soot and air. So what is soot? Like the small black particles. So we can see the small black particles in smoke. Okay, so that is called as soot. What is soot? The small black particles. So next is liquid gas mixture. Liquid gas mixture is of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So what is the example of homogeneous? Like dissolved air in water, fizzy drinks, like carbon dioxide dissolved in water. And what is an example of heterogeneous? Like mist. So in mist, droplets of water are dissolved in air, so they are visible, that's why it is a heterogeneous. So bacha, this is all over for today, and your homework is revise thoroughly about mixtures, their examples, and their like types. Okay, so about mixtures, revise thoroughly from your book. So this is your homework. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.